Yeah, host booted me. And Scooby. And events. He kicked you out too? Yeah, look at our whole party. Yeah, I have us in the fucking game, then my screen just goes nuts and then yo, bro, are you there? Look at this shit. And my whole shit's froze. Can't even move it. Sound went off too. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, host boot. Alright. GB knows what to do to this one. Come on. Can't even connect to Xbox Live. Nice. Oh, fuck these kids. These kids are getting banned. I swear to God, Game Battles, you better ban these assholes.